Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a deep hair mask using rice, mint leaves, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and almond oil. Some of the vitamins and nutrients in rice play an important role in the promotion of healthy hair, including vitamin E. Vitamin E is rich in a type of antioxidant called tocotrienol. It's been shown to promote hair growth. Mint leaves deliver natural benefits for hair health, including growth stimulation, dandruff control, and improved scalp conditioning. Mint leaves are renowned for their refreshing scent and healing properties. Apply this hair mask for 1 hour once a week with a shower cap and then shampoo your hair as normal. That is it for this one, guys. Bye.